Welcome back to Learn English with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's start today's English lesson together. Hi, James. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great. Thank you. Today we continue with Most Common English Words, Part 3. We'll learn words about family and people, the ones you talk about every day.
Oh, that's perfect. We always talk about family.
Exactly. Let's start with the family members. Repeat after me slowly. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, cousin.
I love how simple these English words are.
Yes, and now let's use them in sentences. My mother is kind. My father works hard. My brother likes music. My sister is funny. My grandmother makes cake. My grandfather tells stories. My uncle lives in the city. My aunt loves flowers. My cousin plays football.
That's a big family.
It sure is. Let's repeat the first 6 together. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Let's play a small game. I'll describe someone and you tell me who it is. She is my mother's mother.
Grandmother,
He is my father's brother.
uncle,
She is my uncle's daughter.
cousin.
Excellent! You're getting it fast. Now, let's learn to describe people. Repeat these adjectives after me. Tall, short, young, old, kind, funny, smart, beautiful, friendly, busy.
Nice words.
Let's make sentences. My father is tall. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My sister is smart. My grandfather is old but strong.
That's cute.
Now, a quick quiz for you. Fill the blank. My teacher is kind, smart, funny, kind. My dog is Ajurangja, big, small, friendly.
Friendly.
My mother is kind, young, lazy. Excellent. You see how easy it is to describe people.
Let's use these words in a real conversation.
Sure, ask me anything about my family.
Do you have a big family, James?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow. Do you see them often?
Yes, every Sunday, we eat together.
That's nice. I call my parents every day.
That's a great habit.
Now you ask me.
Who is in your family, Sarah?
I have one brother and 2 sisters. My mother is a teacher and my father is a driver.
Beautiful family.
Thank you. And you at home, try to say your family in English now.
Let's learn more common people you meet every day. Repeat after me. Teacher, student, doctor, nurse, driver, cook, friend, neighbor, manager, customer.
I hear these words every day.
Exactly. Now let's make sentences. My teacher is smart. The doctor is kind. The driver is careful. My friend is funny. My neighbor is friendly.
All very useful.
Yes, and now a speed round. Repeat with me. Teacher, student, doctor, nurse, driver, cook, friend, neighbor.
That's fun. It helps me remember.
Let's review everything from today's lesson. Family members, adjectives, and people we meet every day. Mother, father, brother, sister, kind, funny, smart, friendly, teacher, student, doctor, driver.
It sounds like music when you say them in rhythm.
That's the secret of memory, rhythm, and repetition. Now, your challenge for today. Write or say 10 sentences about your family using these words.
Example, my brother is funny. My mother is kind. My teacher is smart.
Perfect. If you practice a little every day, you'll speak English naturally.
That was so fun and easy to follow.
Exactly. Now you can talk about your family and describe people around you.
If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, small words can build big conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.